you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's Glossybox. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So June's Glossybox just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending me your beauty box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So this month they're back to their standard pink box, which I love all of them. I keep them. I use them for storage. I tell you guys that because they're constructed so well. This box does come in another box, and that's what they ship it in. I always remove that just so it's easier when I'm filming. But once I did open it, there were these two items that were right down on top of this box. So they added in some little extra goodies this month. It says Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. And that is what is in both of them. So that's really cool that they're giving us an unflavored dietary supplement of collagen to try out. So I love collagen because we definitely need it, especially as we get older. So I'm all about trying out new collagen. So that's cool. We have those. So let's go ahead and get into the box and see what goodies we have for this month. So when you first open it up, there is their brochure right here. And it says Poolside Paradise Edition. Here is their normal standard ribbon that they do. If I can undo it without pulling the whole thing out like normal. There we go. And I always keep these too. You never know when you're gonna need a ribbon. And some, when they're special edition boxes and they're different colors, they change up the colors of the ribbon too. So let's go ahead and get in here. And then a sneak peek will be, ooh, look at that big boy. There's a big boy right there. So there's a sneak peek to inside of this month's box. So down inside of here, it says, hey Glossies. We've been dreaming of a fun and relaxing summer all year, and it's finally here. It's time to get some sun, cool off in the pool, and enjoy the beautiful sunsets. Whether you're going on vacation with your family or hanging by the pool with friends, this month's Poolside Paradise Edition is filled with products to help you beat the heat. Now, they do go over the products and they do give you pricing. Yes, they do. So let's go ahead and see what is in here. I want to start with that big guy. Like, what in the world is this guy? It says Seed Moisture Conditioner with hydrating meadow foam seed oil for dry, damaged hair. This packaging is different. It's like, is it like recyclable? It looks like it opens. It does open. Okay, so you can open it and just have a normal little bottle in there. That's definitely different. I've never seen a package like this before. That is cool. So it's a moisture conditioner. It says black tea and ginger aroma. Ooh, I'm gonna have to open that and smell that one. Top tip, massage 1 to 2 pumps into clean wet hair, rinse after 1 minute. I have very short hair and it's very thin. I don't have a whole lot of it, obviously. But there's no way I could just do 2 pumps of conditioner. There's no way. I like my shit to be coated in there. I like to know that it's in there. So I would need to use more than 1 to 2 pumps, but you know, I can't wait to try this. And if they're only going to put one of the two versus a shampoo and a conditioner, I'm really glad that it was the conditioner and not just the shampoo, to be honest. I like when they give you both, but if it's one or the other, I love that it's a conditioner. So this guy right here is a full size. This vegan silicone-free formula is designed to replenish dry, coarse, or damaged hair. Provides deep hydration for healthy, soft, shiny hair with mango butter. Helps manage dry ends and flyaways. That sounds amazing. And this is valued for $18. Ooh, that does smell good. It's definitely a different scent. It says black tea and ginger. So it's definitely like an odd little scent, but it works. It smells good. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to use this tonight in the shower, but I can't wait. It says, oh, this eco-printed bottle is made from recycled material. It's shower friendly and uses 60% less plastic than the traditional bottle. Once empty, split the bottle open and discover your heirloom seed packet. Inside, then compose the paper bottle and recycle the liner. So there's seeds in here too. Hold up, I gotta actually open it then, because if there's seeds, there is something in here. Good thing I read sometimes, let me tell you. There's seeds in here. Harvest time. Share these seeds. Plant a few for you, then pass on the pack. Seeds have been passed down hand to hand for generations. Your garden, whether a raised bed, rooftop, or pot, lets you be part of this legacy. That is so neat. Have you guys ever opened up a conditioner bottle and there was seeds to plant outside? What in the world? I'm so glad that I read you. Let me tell you. Here's some seeds with the conditioner. I'm tripping over that. Like, that is so freaking cool, you guys. I'm impressed with that one. I've been getting seeds in the weirdest things lately. The top of pin caps where I made a huge mess, and a popsicle stick. Now inside of conditioner. Who'd have thought? Where's it gonna come out of next? My toilet paper? Better watch out. Don't wanna wipe with that one. Okay, so the next one is right here. It's this little thing that says PW. Let me find this. I do not want to butcher the name of this company. It is PIPERWAI. And this is one ocean waste plastic product from Piper Way is equal to 10 plastic bags out of the ocean. This activated charcoal deodorant is formulated with clean ingredients that melt into your armpits, absorb moisture, and provide long-lasting odor protection, making it suitable and effective. This is a deluxe mini size worth $6. The full size is a 60 ml and it is worth $13. And it's 100% recyclable. Rub into your skin with fingertips until completely clear. Reapply after bathing and exercising. So there is a deodorant right about there. And again, that is valued for $6 for that particular size. So now we have is this guy. It says good for a 15-day daily skin ritual of morning and night use. Ageless concentrate. This guy is a deluxe mini, and this is valued for $8. Is this what I'm looking at? Yeah, $8. This is a 3 ml. The full size is a 40 ml, and that's valued for $62. And you can get that at PILIANI.com. Gently pat 2 to 3 drops all over your face and neck, and follow with a moisturizer, including rare extracts found only in the Philippines. This, ooh, it's tiny. I was not expecting this little tiny thing to come out of this box, but it sure did. This deluxe mini is $8. Whew. Okay, it says this powerful formula was created to nourish skin deep from within. The PILI oil concentrates have anti-aging benefits, while elemi oil extracts have firming properties, leaving your skin soft, smooth, and subtle. And again, this is the smallest little bottle. And there's actually a dropper. You want to see how small the little dropper is? Look at how freaking cute! There's a little tiny little dropper. That is so cute. This is like a little mini version of the full size, and that is so cute. Down to the dropper. That's just so cute. I'm sorry, that is hilarious. It's so small and so cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna stick that right back in the little box. So there is that product right there. So next we have is, this says Freedom Low pH Hemp and Green Tea Gentle Cleanser. So we have a gentle cleanser right here. This is a full-size product. This is valued for $18.20. It says the first step to any skincare routine, both day and night, is cleansing. Formulated to delicately remove dirt and daily impurities while respecting the skin's acid mantle, this vegan and cruelty-free gel cleanser will leave your skin feeling refreshed without stripping away all of your natural oils. And again, that's valued for $18.20. This right here is pretty much almost the cost of the box, just a little under. So definitely 2 products would pay for this entire box. Yeah, so there's one more product left. Oh, and this product is more than the entire box. I just saw the price. So this product is right here, and this is a Glamorously Healthy Meet Claire, and it's from Josephine. This says Josephine Cosmetics. This is a flawless liquid highlighter, and this is valued for $36. So this definitely is over the cost of the entire box. Ooh, that is a really pretty package. So I guess my color is Claire. Upside down, sorry. Claire is the color. And it is, again, $36. It says swipe onto your skin and blend with your fingertip into your cheeks, nose, brow bone, or use on your eyelids for a subtle, fresh finish. Let's see what this is gonna look like. Okay, so there is the wand. It's a pretty color, honestly, because it's more of like a peachish mauve color, when a lot of times when we get highlighters are more of like a gold tone. So I like that this isn't like a gold tone. It's like a pinky. Oh, it's definitely a pinky. Look at that. That is very, very shiny. See if I can just put a few little double do ya. This one kind of got a little, when I turned the little thing, it went up instead of down, but you get the point. You can definitely see that shine. It's very pretty, nice and subtle. You can always build it up if you want more shine, or you can have just a little sheer shine if you want a little less. That is cool. You can build it up, build it down, or you can even use it on your eyelid. So there's a little multi-purpose highlighter. That is really cool. And again, that's valued for $36 on its own. So going over a quick recap, we have the highlighter, we have a face cleanser, you have a deodorant, you have a little tiny serum, and you have a full-size conditioner that has a hidden little seed packet inside. This is so neat. So that is everything that came in this June box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that came in here? Do you think this is gonna make you poolside ready? Oh, it says July sneak peek. I've never really noticed that it was on there before. Sorry. July sneak peek. Are you ready for your next amazing golden ticket prize? Ooh, worth $350. This prize from SOLEIL will have your hair looking perfect for a lovely summer day or a fun night out. Make sure you get your hands on July's Glossybox for a chance to win. So I guess that's the brand name, and there's gonna be a golden ticket, and some people get to win a $350 prize. That's awesome. I love when they do their golden tickets. That is so cool. So there is that, you guys. If you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, their box month to month is $21. If you just do month to month, it'll go as low as $18 if you go to a whole 12-month subscription. If you follow the link down below, that'll get you your very first box for only $1 on a 12-month subscription. And it's always free international shipping, and I love that. So no matter where you live, you get free international shipping, and you get a really cool, nicely constructed box that you can use for anything afterwards as well. Again, the link down below will get you your very first box for $1, and you'll always get 5 products with a guaranteed worth of $70 or higher, which normally it is higher, but it's always guaranteed at $70. That doesn't include the shipping or the box. That's just the products inside. So that is everything that I have for you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the products that came in this box? What do you think of Glossybox? All your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Crafty crew, out.